Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the laptop actually has Bluetooth hardware and drivers installed. If Device Manager shows an adapter, you're set. Once done, disable Airplane Mode and Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then toggle Bluetooth on so the stack is powered. Make the accessory discoverable by following its pairing button sequence. You need that visible handshake for Windows to list it. Do this early because missing hardware or wrong mode is the most common blocker, and addressing it now saves time. You now add the device. Choose Add Device, then Bluetooth, and watch the list populate. Windows scans actively, so wait a few seconds. Select your accessory, then accept or verify the PIN. Sometimes Windows shows a numeric code you must confirm. After pairing, make sure the device shows connected. For audio gear, open sound settings to choose it as output or input. If a mouse or keyboard needs a special key press to finish pairing, follow its instructions. This middle step completes the secure link. You finish by verifying the device actually works. Play audio, move the cursor, or type to confirm. Make the device default in the appropriate settings if you want automatic use. If the connection drops or fails, remove the device from Bluetooth settings and repair. That often fixes corrupted entries. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the Bluetooth support service or update the adapter driver in Device Manager. This resolves most stubborn issues without reinstalling Windows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.